What's up, guys? For those of you who travel a lot around the world and would like to keep one number without paying for the extra roaming charges, this is one of those solutions. There are multiple operators in the world that give you SIM cards that work around the world. So this works in more than 100 countries, and it provides even 4G and 4G LTE access in 50 plus countries around the world. So you install it and you use it wherever you go. One SIM for all your needs around the world. They have their own app. If you use the app for voice over IP, uh, voice calling over the internet, then everything is free. If you use the SIM card directly, then there is a per call fee that you have to incur, and per MB, I think, or per 10 KB charges. So it goes by that. And similarly for SMS, I think receiving SMS is free, sending is charges or something. So this is made by OneSim Card. Again, it is made for travelers, and I just received it. I always wanted to keep OneSim, so I have ordered it. I wanted to try it. I'm not sure if I will keep using it, but I still wanted to try it. I just received it, so I thought I should share it with you guys and turn it on, show it to you. We have the instructions like go to online, activate it, personal extra numbers in 60 plus countries, Wi-Fi calling option, talk, text, data plan, technical support, all that. Then we have more instructions here, and this is our SIM card. SIM card comes in three sizes: main SIM, then we have the micro, and then nano SIM card. And the idea is that people who travel, you just use one SIM no matter where you are in the world. You don't have to keep switching the SIMs as you go and live in different countries. So for travelers, it is a good thing. So let me insert it and activate it and use it on my phone, and let's see if it works. Alright guys, so I have installed the SIM inside my Galaxy S22 Ultra, and here you can see there are two signal bars. One is my original on the left, and the other one with the R on top of it is the one with the OneSim. Jazz is original, and then this is OneSim, and it is taking the operator. It is right now working through the operator name Zong. Zong is the operator of the location where I am right now. When I will move to another country, it will change to a different operator. So they have their partner operators OneSim, and they work by using the partner operators. And right now it is connected through Zong, and you can see there are full signals. And a good thing about this one is that they have their own app. So most of the calls that you will receive, if you have this active, they will be coming through. Even if people dial normal number, the calls will come through this app, and same as the messages will also come through this app. So you will not be paying anything if calls and numbers are coming through this app. So that's a great thing. Let me actually show you in action. So I'm going to dial my US number that I just you can add Europe number as well, or any other country's number. This is my USA number. As you can see the call is coming through the app, OneSim redesign app. And if I attend this call, there will be zero charges because it's an internet app call. Isn't this cool? No matter where I'm sitting, I use the one number, and this app makes it easier for me, and so that I don't have to pay. So if you guys travel a lot, I think OneSim would be a good fit for you as well. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.